Now we are going to learn more about Solidity, which is the main language to code smart contracts. We will be using Remix IDE, which is an online interactive development environment where we are going to be able to prototype smart contracts and do exercises. Okay, let's start. The first thing that we need to know is what is exactly Solidity. And Solidity is an object-oriented language for implementing smart contracts. It is highly influenced by C++, Python, and JavaScript. The current version of Solidity is the 0.87. Now, Solidity has some features like inheritance, libraries, data types, complex user-defined types, variables, functions, function modifiers, and events. We will go to each one of these features and then we will do some exercises. For the moment, it's just important to have a general view of the type of features that Solidity can provide to us. Okay, at a high level, how do we create smart contracts? And the answer is very simple. We first need to create the source code or the program. Then we need to compile this source code. And finally, we deploy this program to the Ethereum network. How are we going to develop smart contracts? There are some frameworks to develop smart contracts. For instance, we have Hardhat, Waffle, and Truffle. These frameworks are mostly used in a professional setting because you work locally and you can commit to Git and do more advanced development techniques like test-driven development. There is also another category of online IDEs, and in this category we have Remix. Remix is the one that we are going to be using, and the main reason of why we are using Remix is because it's very easy to use and we can prototype the smart contracts designs very quickly in an online IDE. We will explore a bit more the features that Remix gives to us, and we will see how easy it is to start prototyping and share code with the rest of the world.